And today we're going to be learning about hearing the voices of poetry because they talk to you. So yesterday we were beginning with writing about our big feelings, and we learned that we have to use showing words, not telling words. Eliana yesterday, do you remember instead of writing happy, do you remember what you said? Bouncing. No, but you were saying my bouncing heart.
Sadly, instead of sadly, I did tears.
Instead of sadly, she did tears coming down your face, falling down your face.
Soothing, I think, instead of soothing.
She said soothing was warm, hot chocolate.
Warm, bubbling.
So she replaced that, and so some of you did too. So did Drina.
So the heart one was
today,
bouncing.
But yesterday, as we were reading it, I remember one of the girls said, some of my poems still kind of sound like a story. And so how do I change my what I think are poems, but they sound like stories, into actual poems? So we're going to do that today. And I'm going to show you a really cool trick to make your writing really into poems, okay? So it feels like regular poems. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you the voices of poetry. Okay, hold on. One way to do this is to bring a voice to poetry, is to speak directly to the object that you're writing about.
My fish.
Like your fish.
Which
like
is over there.
Your cupcake. Like your frosting. Like the shell you might have been writing about. Like your mom. Oh, you're writing about your mom, okay? Listen to Rebecca. I'm going to move that over a little bit. Rebecca speaks directly to her flowers that are on her little tables. So you might have a little bed that's next to your table, like a dresser. She has some flowers right on her table. And she's going to talk right to these flowers, and it's going to sound like a poem. You ready? Because she speaks directly to it. Flowers, flowers, by my bed, open up, like I said. Let's go back. Lovely tulips, by my bed, all three of you will soon be dead. I will save both of you. I will water all six of you, and you will come back to life. Do you see how she talks right to her flowers? What does she tell them? What does she say to them?
She says, flowers by my bed, open up like I said.
She's telling them, open up, and then she's telling them, I'll save you. I'll water you. I promise.
Lovely tulips by my bed.
Let's look at another one.
Soon be dead.
She doesn't just, before we do this, she doesn't just say, I hope my flowers open up, or I hope my flowers don't die. She talked right to them, doesn't she? Let's look at Go Wind by Lillian Moore. I think we talked about this poem earlier in our poetry unit. This is just part of her poem. But watch how she speaks directly to the wind. It says, go wind blow, push wind swoosh. Shake things, take things, make things fly.
Can I try to?
Okay, here's another example of how a poet writes directly to the object to give it some voice. This is about a caterpillar by Christina Rossetti. She writes right to a little caterpillar. It says, brown and furry, caterpillar in a hurry, take your walk to the shady leaf or stalk. That's how you do it, poets. You can talk right to the object, and it's going to sound just like a poem. It's going to be a poem, not just a poem. It's going to be a poem if you talk right to it. So we're going to try it. Okay?
It's going to be hard.
I want you to imagine. Oh, it's not hard. It's awesome. This is such a good one. Okay? I want you to imagine this morning you woke up. So close your eyes. Can you guys close your eyes? Okay. Close your eyes. Pretend you're waking up in your bed, or wherever you sleep. It's in the morning. And the sun is shining on you, and it wakes you up. Can you feel it? Okay, now, you could say a poem like this. Some mornings are sunny. Or today when I woke up I saw some sun. That's kind of blah, blah, blah.
No.
Or
you could say,
we could talk directly to the sun.
Hi, sun.
Okay, so hold on.
How are you doing today?
I want to give everybody a chance to think about what would they say to the sun. picture you lying in the bed and you feel the warm sun on you. What would you turn to the sun and say? I'm going to give everybody at home a chance to think about it too. Hold on. Let them think at home. Okay, here we go. If you're at home, I would like you can listen to us, but you also can share it with a person in your room. You could even just pause our video for a second before you hear what we say. I'll give you a chance if you want to do that. If not, you want to listen to us. Okay, Trina, speak directly to the sun. What would you say to the sun?
I will say to the sun, good morning, sun. How was your day at night?
Good morning, sun. How was your day at night? There you go. Eliana, what would you say
I
to
would
the sun?
say, good morning, sun. How was your day at night? Can you please make our day sunny and special so we can go out and play?
Very good. So I wrote this down. You guys are so good. This is so poetry. Sun, I know it's time to wake up. I feel you there. Let me lie down longer. I can be angry at the sun, right?
No, you can't, because that's the whole
Because I have to get up and
possibility.
start doing so much stuff.
The Earth would go in an ice age if we didn't have the
okay.
sun. So you should be
So we
nice
can
to
say
the
thank
sun.
you to the sun for keeping us warm and alive.
Yeah,
Okay.
5,000 years and 5 million years from now, the sun will start to cool down and the Earth will go in an
Okay, there's
ice age.
scientists. Okay, so today, my friends at home and my two lovely girls here, today you're going to be those real poets. And so instead of writing and stories, we're really going to have those poems come alive by talking directly to the object to get your voice of poetry. Have fun. Look around the room. If you don't know how to get started today, you can do that sun one. Or you could do a rain one. You could do a wind one. You could do a flower one, a caterpillar one, whatever you want to do.
Bubble one.
Oh, you could talk to a bubble.
And I say, when you're finished, you must die. I will fill you back up in a jiffy rye.
Oh, I know one.
Okay, we're going to stop for now. All right, bye poets. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.
Enjoy writing to your objects. We'll see you back
Bye-bye.
tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bubble.